who was just at the threshold of the service. He was learning the nuances of policing. He is was deputed to a hospital for checkup of a accused person. And while he was coming back from the hospital, he was shot. He was immediately evacuated to hospital. Unfortunately, he succumbed to his injuries. It's a very tragic loss for us, tragic loss for the family. And we express our condolences. The perpetrators of crime involved in this case have been identified and they'll be brought to justice. Life lost is a cause of concern for us, whether it's a civilian or a police or a SF personnel. We have already those who are involved in such kinds of crime, killing of civilians and killing of SF people, they've been brought to justice. And as I said, in this particular case also, our investigating agency, our operational teams are working on this case, and I think soon we will be able to take care of this case also. ये श्रीनगर में दर्जन के करीब ऐसे मॉड्यूल्स जो पिस्टल शूटिंग में या किलिंग्स में इन्वॉल्व थे, वो सारे के सारे उनका सफाया हो चुका है. जब जब पुरानी टीम का सफाया होता है, नई टीम उनकी जगह लेने की कोशिश करती है. नई टीम की भी पहचान लगभग हो गई है और जैसा मैंने कहा है, इनके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई जल्दी की जाएगी.